This video is going to show you how to do object number 7 on problem set number 1. When viewing the information given, we can see that all the dimensions relate to this profile view. So this is what we're going to be sketching. There is an extrusion cut that we have to do right here, as evidenced by the information we're given here. The dimensions that we see here, 2.5s and 1.75. So let's go ahead and sketch this. I'm going to go ahead and put the origin at one of my corners here. Go ahead and sketch the Z shape or whatever you want to call it. And now let's go ahead and start putting in our information. Usually I like to start with my larger dimensions first. Bring that back in. I have overall dimensions top to bottom, left to right, so I'm going to put those in. And then I can get all the smaller dimensions in. 0.25 is referring to the thickness of the object. Cut another one here. And what else do we have? We have a 0.5 from here to here. And if I take a look at my sketch icon here, I can see that by that red padlock that it is fully constrained. So I'm ready to make it solid by extruding it. Now it seems to extrude towards the back, so that's going to be a minus 1.5 inches over here. Minus 1.5. Go ahead and look at that from the isometric view. And yeah, that looks pretty good. Now I just need to draw my sketch in here. So let's go ahead and I usually do my sketches this way, even though there's more than one way to do it. This is a rectangle, so I'm just going to put it somewhere around here. Put in my dimensions. Now if I look, there's a dimension from this front edge to this edge of the rectangle. There is a height to the rectangle and there's a width. So let's put in what we're given, nothing more, nothing less. That's a 0.5. From here to here is a 0.5. There's the width at 0.75. Right. Now, if I look at the sketch icon here, it tells me that this is fully constrained. So let's go ahead and cut it. Select my profile. We're going to do a cut. And how far down is the question? So I clearly need to go to at least this point. If I don't know the distance, which it's not given to me anywhere here, then really the best choice is to do a to object. Now I can come down and select this face and it'll cut all the way through there. It's probably the best way to do it, especially in instances like this where you don't have that dimension. Go to my isometric view, collapse my sketches, name it properly per the naming convention that's given to you. Make sure you locate this in the right folder, and everything looks perfect from here.